Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. Firstly, open Settings and tap on Display section right away. Then click on this gray sweater next to Adaptive Brightness feature. As you can see, after that, auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same no blue sweater. If you wish to, you can go into a tab menu as well and click on those three dots on brightness slider. Then tap on this sweater next to adaptive brightness to manage it, and save your changes by tapping on Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!